Ever wondered how to meditate? Let's unravel the mystery together. Meditation is a powerful practice that can help reduce stress, improve focus, and promote a sense of peace and well-being. But how to start? Well, no worries. This video will guide you through the process in 7 simple steps. First off, find a quiet and comfortable space. This could be any place where you won't be disturbed. Make sure you sit in a position that allows you to stay relaxed yet alert. Second, decide on a time. As a beginner, it's best to start with a short session of 5 to 10 minutes. A timer can be a great tool to help you stay focused and not feel rushed. Next, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Feel the rhythm of your inhales and exhales. This is your anchor to the present moment. As you meditate, thoughts will naturally arise. Don't worry, that's completely normal. The key is to observe them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath. For those just starting out, guided meditations could be a beneficial tool. There are numerous apps and online resources available that provide structured sessions and soothing instructions to help you stay focused and relaxed. And finally, remember to be patient and consistent. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Make it a daily habit, even if it's just for a few minutes. Over time, you'll start to notice the positive changes in your life. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to meditation. Remember, the benefits of meditation are for everyone, including you. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content on health and well-being. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, be well.